Cars of the future are more than technology. They are a promise of perfection. And perfection requires a partner who understands the future before it arrives. Buri, the future begins here. We begin with a vision and turn it into reality. Our own laboratories, our own engineering teams, our own standards. Like an orchestra, everyone plays their part, but only together do we create harmony.
Jestem dumny.
I'm proud that our ideas become part of cars all over the world.
Everything under one roof. Independence from suppliers at every stage and full control over quality. This is our strength.
Here, every detail matters, from design to laboratory testing.
A global presence. One orchestra, many stages. From Milas to Detroit, we play in the same rhythm. Advanced charging and communication technologies, state-of-the-art control and vehicle management modules. Key innovations in vehicles of global automotive manufacturers. Every Buri product meets the highest standards. Every certificate is a promise of quality you can trust.
The best part is seeing our idea in a real car.
The way we create technology reflects who we are as a company.
At Buri, we combine innovation with everyday responsibility. From family roots, we have grown to a global scale without losing what matters most: quality, collaboration, and trust. We create solutions for the future while building a company worth committing to for years to come.
Quality, growth, independence. Buri, future solutions for automotive.